Guys, we've truly spared no expense on this. Hey guys, today I got a really exciting installation of our Patriotic series. We have a huge promotion going on for you guys this July 4th weekend.
Nice.
Now you might be wondering, what's so special about this other than the amazing American flag? Well, let me show you. We're starting off with our full protection on the bottom. This gives us another 3 inches of protection on top of our 16 inches of protection. It also keeps the weed whacker away from the American flag. We don't want to be damaging that, of course. A wide variety of colors for our full guard protection. This is just showing the white and the black, the different contrasts you can have. Guys, we've truly spared no expense on this. No two sides are the same. As you can see, when you put these two together, this will wrap beautifully around, so you have that perfect image of the flag. It's going to look beautiful on your lawn, make your post look gorgeous. For our Patriotic series, we have actually done a very special process here, an Italian process where we've powder coated these white and then we've sublimated the design on top of it. So there's no way, even if you were to accidentally hit the flag, there's no way any of it's going to come off. It's not going to chip. This is going to last you a long time. So with our 16-inch height here on the Patriotic series, it does a great job at protecting your post against any critters you might have, even pets, cats coming to scratch on your post. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to check out our huge deal that we got going on for the July 4th weekend. We got limited supplies on our Patriotic series. Have a great holiday.